my dear traders, how are you today? Today I'll show you my special video where we'll trade on the huge sums, and also I'll show you my private strategy and how you can copy it. I'll also show you. So dear traders, here we are on the pocket option. The balance, our balance is $13,461. The amount of deal, let's set up $1,000. Usually we trade for 100 plus minus, and we have today $1,000. So we'll trade on Concepts. We have 6 of them, and time frame on our chart is 30 seconds. The deal amount time 30 seconds, and will be fast today. So we have these parameters, quite standard. These parameters are optimal, the most optimal at the moment. I also remember what I said. I'll tell you how to copy all my deals, and it will be a little later, especially for the most attentive. So we start with our first concept app. Open up. Everything is quite simple, not difficult. General trend, we highlight the increase, and we also highlight the increase. We highlight the resistance area. We see it have not yet reached it. So Keltner channel up. The second indicator is also directed upward to the value of 70, redirected to an upward trend. We say excellent. Plus deal, as I said, everything is simple, nothing complicated. In our case, at the moment, there's no here. We immediately move to the second concept. So quite quick, short and clear. We immediately identified the area of resistance. The highest point, we will have a reversal in this moment. I'll show you that we had an upward trend, and we had a consolidation in connection with the achievement of this area. But the second indicator, downward trend by RSI. Yeah, some consolidation at a certain point on our chart. Yeah, plus deal. Directed upward by Keltner channel. And we combined these indicators with RSI. So good. Meanwhile, we go to the third concept, up deal, resistance area. We see, yeah, we rolled back and again try to overcome it. Yeah, this chart is green by Keltner channel, upward trend by RSI. The same situation, upward trend. Let's see. We see there's quite a strong growth, quite a pleasant volume. Good, it's good. Yeah. We see that if you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now then, and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. You can copy this deal, and it's called social trading. On the right you can see the tab that's register on the pocket option, enter my code, and all deals are copied. So you click social trading, enter the code, I'll give you the code, and that's when such moments I open trades automatically, no matter you are on the pocket option or no. The link is in the description to my Telegram channel, and I'll give you my ID. And here we go to the next concept. Fourth down deal, we see red candles, shadows up by RSI. Yeah, down, it's going down. By Keltner channel, we see bottom position, plus DL, not pleasant volume but stable. General trend done. So don't forget, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, also you can write me in the comments or in my Telegram channel. If you have any, I'll be glad to answer them. So we have last by Kelvin channel, we see good volume. By RSI we overcome 50, directed to the lower position. Yeah, excellent. This deal is closed plus. Quite simple concept as I see. So I recommend you choose this. And we see we have, meanwhile we move to the last concept app. We open the, of course, to the increase. The volume of the candle is pleasant. The last range is an upward. Kelvin channel shows us uptrend directed towards up. By our side, the same situation. Complete uptrend is stable. Green candles, the volume is quite pleasant. We analyze the volume. The general shadow indicator is small and good. Plus, still nothing complicated. $19,000 we see on our balance. It's perfect. We close our concept as completely in plus. Of course, unfortunately, this does not happen always, since in trading there's no 100% winning, so to say. And let's finish this video. It turned out to be quite simple. The indicator settings I showed at the beginning of the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and go to the video tab. You can see there's many videos with different trading strategies, and you can also copy it and trade with me. Follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.